I have, how many apartments did we drive by? What we say, like 5, 7? Yeah, about 5. All of them are no's. I just tried to tour one apartment. They didn't even want to show me the apartment. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I forgot to record an intro earlier, but I am now on the plane. I need to put my mask back on, so I will show you guys when I get to Phoenix. I think I have a layover in Phoenix for like an hour or two, and then I will be on my way to LA, and when I get there I will show you guys all of LA. Yeah, so we're at this place called Breakfast Club. I think we're downtown. Looks like we're downtown. It's like 90 degrees here. Here are the twins. So this is the food. I have a waffle, potatoes, fruit, and ham. Renita got French toast. Ramia got French toast too with eggs and sausage. So yeah, we're about to eat, and then I think we're gonna walk around downtown. This is not what the Airbnb showed in the pictures. So it has, like, of course, kitchen, all of that. Has a little table here. Oh, it has, okay, well, here's another bathroom. Is it a shower? No, it's probably like a half bath. Okay, so we have a half bath. What's that? A closet? Oh, like the heating unit, I guess. And then, so I guess it's like a loft vibe. I don't know. Would y'all say this is like a loft? I don't know. It's giving me, what do we say? Sex in the City? Single in the City? Single in the City? This is it. It said it was 3 beds, y'all. So let me tell you what he considers 3 beds. 1, 2, 3. Let me just zoom in so you guys can see this 3. And then I think it's like an air mattress too. So, I mean, yeah, it's cute though. It's good enough. So we are going to get dressed, take showers, all of that, and then I will show y'all the rest of LA. Okay guys, so we are downtown LA. There's literally nothing over here for real. This is pretty much everything. I think we're about to walk towards the fashion district, so I'm pretty sure there'll be no one over there, but I will show y'all when we get there. So y'all, it is now Sunday morning. It was no Sunday afternoon, actually. It's like 2 o'clock. So as you can see, we have a different background because we are in a different hotel. Our Airbnb had a lot of issues, so we're like at another hotel in Beverly Hills. We are about to go to like Rodeo Drive, Melrose, all of that. I did go to UCLA last night, but I'm going back today to look at some more stuff. Probably gonna go to the beach later, and so when we do that, I will show y'all all of that. Of course, right now I'm about to go get me something to eat though, because I'm starving. Like I said, I think it is like 2. So yeah, about to eat first, then go to Melrose, Rodeo, all that. Walk down like the stars, where all the like Hollywood Walk of Fame is or whatever. And then, yeah, I don't know. That's pretty much it. Stuff is like semi-open here. Like you can do a lot of curbside or whatever. So we'll do all of that, and I will make sure to show you guys whatever we do. now we are in the car. I am waiting on some Thai food that we ordered from this place called Emporium Thai, I think. I think we're about to go to Santa Monica Beach. I heard like the pier lights up at night. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. And then after that, I really don't know. Probably just drive around a little bit more. Look at stuff. We did not go to the Hollywood Walk or whatever. We might go tomorrow. I don't know. I know I need to go look for apartments tomorrow. I don't know if I'll actually be able to go in and look at the apartments tomorrow, but I know I definitely want to like drive around the neighborhood, see what the neighborhoods look like, look at the list of apartments that I have and all of that. So I guess I will show y'all when we get to the where it's like 10 o'clock. Our flight leaves at like 12:45. I do have some thoughts on LA, like some final thoughts, all of that. So we're gonna get something to eat, head to the airport. I don't get home until tonight at like 10 o'clock. So when I get home, probably like tomorrow, I'll get on here and tell you guys how I feel about it, if I think I'm really going to come here, all of that. So yeah. So I am now back home. I've been back home for maybe like 3 days or so actually. So I've had time to think. I've had time to figure out, you know, how I feel about LA, how I feel about the trip, how I feel about UCLA, all the above. So y'all are going to hate me. But I will say, I still don't know. Like, yes, like I'm still like 90% sure, but a part of me is like, I still want to go visit Georgetown. So honestly, I probably am going to go visit Georgetown the very first weekend of June. So overall, how I feel about LA, I do think that in general, LA was a very nice place. I think it was way more normal than I thought too. And I'm pretty sure that because I went like during this whole pandemic, that made it look more normal. I did see like 1 or 2 celebrities while I was there, but it just made it look like more of a normal city. Like it's very normal. And I think that's something that actually was a positive to me. I didn't want to move there and feel like everybody was just like stuck up or, you know, uppity, or like it was always like a fashion show. So I got to see like normal people, regular people walking around. I did go to Rodeo Drive. I did go to Melrose Ave. I did all those things, but it was still just like a city that was livable. You know how some places feel like you can't live there, it's just vacation? It seemed livable. So actually I think going during the pandemic probably helped me. I did find 2 apartments that I did really like. I won't show you guys just yet because of course I want to do like a whole apartment tour if I do end up going there. But I did find 2 apartments that I really liked. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I got to do a lot like in terms of sightseeing. I went to Calabasas. I could not find Kim Kardashian's house. I went to Calabasas though. I did take a trip to see where Chris Brown lives because if you guys don't know, his address is online. What else did I do? I went to Melrose Ave, like I said. One of the apartments that I found is actually really close to Melrose Ave, so that's a positive. Like you can like see the Hollywood sign. I'll show you guys all that later, of course, if I move there. We also saw like the Beverly Center. I went like past like Paramount Studios. I went past Sony. I went to like all of the places you would think to go to in LA. I drove past everything you can do pretty much in LA. I mean, LA definitely seems like a good place to live. It definitely is the #1 spot for entertainment. I think obviously if I want to do music, New York would be a good spot as well, but I'm not moving to New York. It's cold there and I don't do cold. Even like North Carolina was cold to me, so not doing that. But I will say, like, I definitely think LA is still number one. UCLA's campus was beautiful. I don't know how I forgot to mention this first. Like, their campus literally looks like castles everywhere. Like, of course, I inserted videos, all that. I'll insert more pictures if I have some more up here. But it was beautiful. Like, their campus is so, like, clean, and just, like, people were out there with their dogs and their family. And it was just, like, you can tell, like, it is a very, like, clean and pristine place. It was very, very, very nice. I didn't even get to go inside, but I'm assuming that inside is also nice. But yeah, so the campus, definitely beautiful. Definitely feel like I can see myself going there. Yeah, I haven't seen Georgetown campus. Like I said, I saw it from like afar, but I've never saw Georgetown's campus. So maybe when I go there, I'll either love that or hate that. I know y'all are probably like, choose a school, Latasia. But I feel like for me, this is like a $200K decision. So I'm not taking it lightly. I know some people are just like, oh, you're overthinking it, whatever, whatever. It's not that I'm overthinking it. Like, I'm pretty sure I know where I'm going to go. I just don't like to live life with regrets. So probably will go visit Georgetown. If that changes, I'll let you know. But this video was not going to be me announcing what school I'm going to, because I still don't know. But yeah, overall, I did like LA. Definitely could see myself living there. I did find an apartment. Definitely think it's #1 spot for entertainment. Definitely think it was a beautiful city, of course. Oh, I did get to go to the beach as well. It was a beautiful beach. They have like 5 beaches or whatever. So, I mean, I definitely think I can see myself living there. But this video is not going to be an announcement video because I still don't know. So yeah, I'm like out in the car waiting on somebody to get back in the car so we can go out to eat. But I just wanted to do the update, let you guys know how I felt about LA, all of that. Of course, you know, I will keep you guys updated along the way. But yeah, that's pretty much all for this video, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.